If you're also planning to buy a new 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range these days, then today's video is for you. Today, we're going to give you all the details about Samsung's latest smartphone, that packs a stunning 200-megapixel DSLR quality camera, and the two at an incredibly affordable price. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G. If you're interested in buying this phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be covering all the leaked features, pricing, and launch details of this amazing smartphone. So let's start. Features of Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G. Display. When it comes to the display, this beast of a phone flaunts a massive 6.82-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and a super responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. And guess what? It also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor for that premium feel. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera. This phone rocks a quad camera setup on the back, headlined by a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS. But that's not all, it's also backed by 24-megapixel, 12-megapixel, and 5-megapixel lenses for ultra-versatile photography. And for selfie lovers, there's a crisp 32-megapixel front camera, ready to make your Instagram game strong. Performance. Under the hood, this powerhouse is fueled by Samsung's Exynos 2300 processor, ensuring blazing fast performance. And for software, you're getting the latest Android 16 OS right out of the box. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Galaxy J15 Prime 5G packs a massive 5500 mAh battery, with 90-watt fast charging support, meaning less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Plus, you get a Type-C charging port and stereo speakers for an immersive experience. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question, how much will it cost? Well, we expect it to be priced around $500, making it a steal for all these premium features. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned, we'll update you as soon as we get any info.